Good afternoon, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. With 8,049 COVID-19 patients cured in the last 24 hours, the recovery rate in the country has become more than 50%, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said on Sunday. A total of 1,62,378 patients so far have been cured of COVID-19, the ministry said in a statement. Currently, the recovery rate is 50.60%. This indicates that all of the cases of COVID-19, half of them have recovered from the disease. Timely case identification and proper clinical management has been the road to recovery. Currently, 1,49,348 active cases are under medical supervision, the statement said. In a relief to journalist Vinod Dua, the Supreme Court in a special hearing on Sunday restrained the Himachal Pradesh police from arresting him till July 6 in a sedition case lodged against him in the state over his YouTube show. The top court said that Dua will have to join the investigation and there shall be no stay on the ongoing probe undertaken by the Himachal Pradesh police. A bench of Justices UU Lalit, MM Shantanagadar and Vineet Saran issued notices to the centre and the state government and sought their responses within 2 weeks. Senior advocate Vikas Singh, appearing for Dua, not only sought staying of the FIR, rather demanded its quashing, saying the fundamental right of freedom of speech and expression of the journalist has been taken away by filing the sedition case. Singh said that if such charges are slapped against individuals, then many of them may fall within the ambit of sedition charges. Health insurance companies will not be allowed to contest claims once the premium has been paid for a continuous period of 8 years, regulator IRDAI said in a fresh set of guidelines. IRDAI said the objective of the guidelines is to standardize the journal terms and clauses incorporative in indemnity-based health insurance products by simplifying the wordings of journal terms and clauses of the policy contracts and ensure uniformity across the industry. All policy contracts of the existing health insurance products that are not in compliance with these guidelines shall be modified as and when they are due for renewal from April 1, 2021 onwards. After completion of 8 continuous years under the policy, no look back to be applied. After expiry of moratorium period, no health insurance claim shall be contestable except for proven fraud and permanent exclusion specified in the policy contract, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority said. Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found hanging at his Bandra apartment on Sunday. His last screen appearance was Chichore, directed by Nitesh Tiwari. He has committed suicide at his residence in Bandra. He was found hanging today. Manoj Sharma, Additional Commissioner of the Police, said that we are investigating. Sources from the Bandra Police said on the basis of primary information, a case of accidental death report will be registered. No suicide note was found from the spot, they said. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.